Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be jumping into my Boxycharm premium box for the month of November. I'm going to be completely honest, I did just change up the lip because I ate something after I filmed the video, and when I went to edit, I didn't have an intro. So here we are, filming the intro after the entire video is done. This is the eye look from the video though. So if you want to see how we got this eye look here, go through all of the products in my November premium box. All the details, you know the drill. Make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 to 4 times a week. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my November premium box, unbox everything inside, try it out, review it, talk about it, demo it, stay tuned. Alright, so jumping into the first item in the box, my base is already on and so are my eyes primed, because honestly, in this box, I basically only have lip, eye, and like a product I'm not going to use, so I'll get into that in a little bit. First, the theme card. This is the Boxycharm Harvest Premium Box, variation numero 5. The first item I'm not going to be using because it is skincare. I do mention on camera all the time that until you use a product consistently for 28 to 60 days, you will not know if it works for you, so me opening it now just starts the timer on it expiring. This product is a 12-month shelf life, so if I open it right now, I have to use it within a year, and I'm not ready for it because I already have a night cream that is open. This is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream with Peptide 3. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. The detox and regenerative of the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin, retails for $125. This is definitely going to go into the rotation once I finish whatever night cream I'm currently using, which is currently the Night Fix Enzyme Treatment from Murad. When I'm done with that, I will be using this, but I'm not going to open it until I'm ready for it. The next item out of the box is from Illamasqua. This is the Unveiled Artistry Palette. Retails for $50. Express your individuality with a 12... Let me open it so you guys can see it while I talk about it. With a 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadow in satin, matte, and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color-intensive finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from neutral everyday to the perfect smoky eye. Again, it retails for $50. It does have the names on the plastic, but I'm just going to say like the this one and the that one. Now, I will be using a shimmer from here today, but there is another eyeshadow powder in here that I do want to use with this palette. This is from Dose of Colors. It is the Block Party Single Eyeshadow. Retails for $20. Yes, that is a $20 single shadow, but look at this color. This one is in the shade Lock and Key. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact. So I'm going to be using this with some of these neutral palette shadow shimmers as well. So I'm going to start by going into this shade right here, and I'm going to dust that above my crease as a transition shade. Moving into a dense packer brush, I'm going to go into this shade. Actually, I'm going to go right into the deeper brown. I'm going to use this shade out here, and I am going to build up the outer portion of the eye, and then buff that in and just above the crease. These are really pretty and quite pigmented. I'm going to jump back into that first brush with that same transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that crease out a little bit just to make sure everything is nice and blown out and a little smoky. Not too smoky, but a little smoky. All right, now I'm going to grab a dense packer brush, and I'm going to go into the single shadow. And I know these are meant to be used with your fingers, I believe, but I don't like using my fingers for pretty much anything. So I'm going to take that on the tip of this brush. I am going to spray it with a little bit of a setting spray, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid. This is going to be dark and smoky, but that is going to be so pretty. It's very like taupey brown, which you guys know I am about. And then just gently blend out those edges. That's really pretty. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of a brown eyeliner. This is the Beauty For Real liner in the shade Whiskey. I'm going to put that in my waterline, buff those same neutral tones on the outside of the bottom, and do all of that on this eye, and then I'll be right back. All right, so the eye is now on both sides. I did take a little bit of that dark brown and just smoke out a little brown liner underneath. What I'm gonna do now is go back to the palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner. And then with my pencil brush, I'm just gonna kind of smoke that liner into the inner corner highlight, just so that it looks like it blends into the lower lash. And I do want to make sure that I've well blended the outer corner into the lower lash line, just so everything looks connected. That's really smoky and I'm loving it. Under normal circumstances, I would throw on a lash, but when I do these dark smoky eyes like this, I find that all a lash does is make it look darker, and I want you to see the shadow. So I'm just going to take a little bit of mascara through the ends of my lashes. I'm going to be honest, I did have a coat of mascara on before I started filming, so I'm really just darkening it up a bit. This is the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara, and I love this one because the wand is so super small that it does get to every lash. Not sponsored and not a commission code, but if you do use the code BFRBrett10, you will save 10% off your purchases. I don't get paid for it, but it does allow me to share with you guys a little bit of a discount on some of my favorite products. And look, no lashes necessary. All right, the next item out of the box comes from cosmetics. It is a skincare brush set, retails for $25. It is take cleansing to the next level with the embossed brush design for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-side silicone spatula to effortlessly and evenly distribute products across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serums, and masks with ultimate precision and no mess. Now, I'm going to actually drop this in an upcoming giveaway because I have so many skincare tools, so many skincare mask spatulas. I mean, I use a Foreo. I have a Clarisonic that's discontinued and I can never repurchase for. So I am going to pass on those just because I have so many. So that will be in an upcoming giveaway. And the next two items out of the box are going to be our lip combo today, kind of. The first is from Real Her. It is a $25 lip liner duo. Line your lips with ease. A creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter to provide smooth application and natural matte finish between our deep nude and true red while preventing your favorite lipstick matte or moisturizing from bleeding. Now, I have so many lip liners, so I'm going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway as well, but I do already own a Real Her lip liner. This is in their old packaging, but this is the shade I Am Loved, which did come in a Boxycharm a very long time ago, and it's a little more of a neutral berry. The reason I'm going to use this one instead is I find that with the lipstick I got in my box, it's just a little bit of a closer match. The lipstick is from Ilia. This is a very pretty color. This is the Ilia Beauty Color Block High Impact Lipstick. Retails for $28. High pigment lipstick in a long-wearing hydrating formula with full coverage in one swipe. Handcrafted and hand-milled with custom pigments and organic castor seed oil to offer 4 times more color. So I am going to line with this and then pop the lipstick on in the center. Now I did lightly fill that in on most of the perimeter of the lip. And then going in with this, I'm just going to lighten the center of the lip. That's a really pretty ombre. All right, so the lip is on. I'm going to give it a second to dry down, and then we're going to talk through all of the details and full review on the box. Okay, so all in all, minus the 2 products I did not use. I mean, technically I didn't use this one, but I did. It's the same formula. It's just a different color. That is something that I don't mind. When I'm looking at a box, I want to be able to get a full face out of the box. Like, that's something I enjoy. But I also know that most people, like, if the liner you get this month and the lipstick don't go together, it's still a liner and a lipstick that you can use with other products. So that is not a deal breaker for me. I'm more interested in the formulas, which so far I'm liking all of them. Now, this is the premium box, which means that it is $35 a month for this subscription box, which means that if you just like the moisturizer, you get your money's worth. But I'm going to crunch the numbers. And all in all, this is a $273 value in a $35 subscription box. Now, I say this all the time. If I'm looking for whether or not I think a box is worth it, the answer is always going to come down to, is it valued over the price point? And in this case, the answer is obviously yes. And if I look just at the products like that I definitely used, which are these three. We are pushing a $100 retail value. The palette is $50, the lipstick is $28, and this is $20. So I have $98 in value just in the three products that I'm actively using. Obviously, I use the lip liner in a different shade, but I do love the formula, so I'm probably not going to drop it in a giveaway. Now that I used it, I'm remembering how much I like this lip liner formula, so I'm probably going to end up keeping that as well. So for me, this box is absolutely a hit. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your thoughts on the everything? I'm definitely loving this like smoky eye taupey look. It's a little grungy, but pairing it with this like red-ish nudie lip, because I did combine red and nude, I'm really enjoying it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!